Video walkthrough, Integrity 340 sedan, 2018. With your classic walk around sides and side gate entry, the Integrity 340s offer really good access from the side of the vessel and also from the helm position when you're docking the vessel and grabbing lines. Gone for a navy blue clear and breeze screen on this vessel, replaced 2018. Teak laid swim platform, and you've got twin stainless rails. Once you're into the cockpit, you'll find plenty of room in here. Lots of seating, high gloss teak coloured table. You've got the side breezeways as well that have been put in just to stop the breeze coming through when you're at anchor. This vessel has been finished in high gloss teak, so it gives that very classic look and also reflects some light to give you that shine and make the boat feel a little bit lighter. Two-way curtains right the way along the side, on both sides. Nice big TV for when you're sitting back and relaxing. The vessel has twin stainless sinks and your 2-burner cooktop. Nice little holdalls for everything as well. So even when you're rocking around, there's no need to stash them in a cupboard. Microwave down the bottom there. Again, high gloss table inside. This is convertible to make an extra bunk if you need to sleep more than yourself and your partner. At the helm station, you've got a Raymarine Axion plotter sounder. You've got your autopilot and all your engine controls. This one's powered by the John Deere 225, the upgraded engine. Really nice running, low revs, nice, lots of torque. You've got your anchor controls and your bow and stern thrusters. They're each 4 horsepower, so it gives you plenty of power to get it in sideways. As you move down into the cabin, nice large queen size bed. Plenty of room down the sides. You've got lots of storage, so hanging cupboards there and there. And then you've got your drawers underneath as well. On your starboard side, you'll find your shower unit. Large freestanding shower, hot and cold water. And on your port hand side, you find your electric toilet. Moving back up in the vessel, you can really feel how light and airy it is. Obviously you do have the Genset and the aircon as well, in case it gets a bit warm, but you do have sliding open doors, windows on each side as well.